Hello folks, syllabus is not yet completed. Should I take mocks? So, I took my serious CAT in the year 2000. So if you ask me, I can make a case for not having completed syllabus yet. And so you're never going to finish syllabus. Take it from me. There's going to be this one idea in math or English or logical reasoning that you've not covered. And so you simply cannot wait to complete syllabus for this. That's a part of your brain that is slightly worried about taking mocks, that wants a beautiful reason to not take mocks. And this beautiful reason that seems very credible and valuable and very meaningful and relevant. So you've not completed syllabus yet. How can you write an exam without completing syllabus? And so, but remember that it's an excuse and nothing else. And a big part of this whole mock routine, or the whole idea, one very essential part of having a crack at a competitive exam, is to learn to pick and choose your battles. And so quite simply put, if you want to get 99.5 percentile in this exam, you need to give or get half the marks. If you want to get 95th percentile in the exam, you got to get 40% of the marks, total marks. And so some of the savviest guys, sharpest guys who are going to take this exam are going to be absolute masters at picking the right battles, at leaving questions. And what is the best way to leave questions? To not even know the syllabus. And so I would make a case that you must start taking mocks when you have not completed syllabus. You look at a question and it says sin x cos x. You have not done trigonometry, leave that question. And over the mock cycle, you should get happier and more comfortable leaving questions. A lot of us are not used to leaving questions, to skipping questions. And it's an art. Initially, when you leave a question, it feels like you're inadequate. It feels like kuch galti hai. Some mistake is there, that you're not good enough, right? But you leave and you get better and better at that art, at that skill set. You realize that every time you leave a question, you're actually better off for that. And that has to come as a habit. You look at a question and go, I don't want this, right? And that can best happen when you're blindly leaving a question because you've not even done the syllabus yet. And super important, do not wait to finish syllabus. If you're starting without completing syllabus, it is very helpful to practice the art of leaving questions. You don't have to even process it. I've not done this topic, I can't touch it. Right? So the reason why people keep saying I've not finished the syllabus, it's an excuse. It's a kick-ass, beautiful excuse, but an excuse that's holding you back nevertheless. And so don't tell yourself that. There are plenty of mocks available. And so the previous year questions give us something like 15, 18, 20 marks. Any provider gives you 30 marks. I'm telling you, you cannot take value from more than 35, 40 marks. Some people do 70, 80 marks. It becomes mechanical. That's not good. It should be intense and process and analyze and have some takeaways from it. And so, therefore, marks are a dime a dozen. Don't hoard marks. Don't save up marks. Don't say all of those are excuses. You're listening to the part of your brain that says, have a good reason to not take a mock today. Kill that part of your brain. It doesn't matter if you score negative in a few marks. It doesn't matter. Who cares? But definitely take your. This is probably excuse number one. I have not yet finished syllabus. Kill that excuse. You cannot go far in this journey if you're still hanging on to the idea of having a good reason to not take mocks. You have to say, it doesn't matter. I'm super tired. It's 8 o'clock. I can't start now and finish at 10. No, I will start now, finish at 10 and get beaten up in this mock. But I'll tell myself that I can come back at the end of a long day, hang in there, finish a mock, and there is value in that. And so don't make the idea of mock taking such a big deal in your head. And so you must take mocks when you have not completed syllabus. I'm absolutely clear about it.